Today we are making two dessert recipes. First one is almond cookies. To my mixing bowl I'm adding 2 cups of almond flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of teaspoon baking soda, half of a cup dark chocolate chip. Separately mix 1/4 of a cup coconut oil with half of teaspoon of almond extract and add it to your dry ingredients. Mix it really well and add 1/3 of a cup maple syrup. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. After mixing all the ingredients together, using a cookie scoop, scoop your cookie dough. Place it on the prepared sheet pan. Gently press down to flatten and smooth the edges of your cookies. Place an almond in the center of each cookie and bake for 15 minutes or until lightly browned on top. Cool it down and serve. The second recipe is for breakfast smoothie parfait. Into my blender, I'm adding 1 ripe banana, a cup of frozen pineapple cubes, a cup of frozen blueberries, blend everything together till it's all smooth. Layer your smoothie onto the glass with granola and sprinkle on top with dark chocolate. If you would like to make your own granola, I will link down below my granola recipe. Blueberry pineapple smoothie has lots of benefits. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which helps reduce the risk of many diseases. The combination of antioxidants and vitamin C from the pineapple will definitely add a boost to your immune system. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!